Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can reactivate a deleted Facebook account. So without further ado, let's start! So now just so to inform you, once you deleted your Facebook account, there is no way that you can reactivate your account. Deleting your account means that you're permanently closing your account. So there is no way that you can get it back. So now what you can do is to actually create a new account. But for example, you just deactivated your account, you can easily reactivate that. You can just log in again to that account. Enter your phone number or your email address and then your password. For example, this is my account. What I'm going to do now is just to enter my password and then just tap on login. It will then automatically reactivate my account. And that's it. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.